Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Trying out something new. I've had quite a few pickups this past week, and I figured might as well make a video out of it. So here are my latest pickups. Okay, I know this is about unboxing, but there are a few that I have unboxed already before I decided to do this video. This first item is a Uniqlo washed jersey ankle pants. I love this, it fits nicely to me. It could probably be hemmed a little bit. Actually, I should get it hemmed. With all the yellow sneakers that we've been picking up this year, I think this is a good complement to that. Might try it out with the Air Jordan 4 Tour Yellow. Alright, so this box is a Uniqlo box. The J.W. Anderson Uniqlo collection has just dropped here in Australia, which are basically a collection of summer wear. Because you know, down under, it's summer. Some yellow socks to pair with all the yellow and brown sneakers that I've been picking up. This is a light orange linen shirt. If it's not obvious in my Instagram page or the way I try to fit my clothes, I really love pastel colors. Alright, this one's for the wife. So is this one. Here are some dark gray pleated shorts, also from the J.W. Anderson collection. One thing that I don't buy enough of are shorts. So this one is good to have, especially in the coming hot months. This one is a wide fit straight jeans, also from the same J.W. Anderson collection. Not really sure how to pull this off. Tried cuffing it, but it looks weird. I'd probably just get these hemmed up to the ankle and see how I can work it with my fits. I can probably leave it as is as well and just let it drape over my sneakers, but I don't know if I'm comfortable with that kind of fit. Okay, moving on. Time for the sneaker boxes. This one is from Above the Clouds, which is a local Australian shop. It's a raffle win. I actually hit 2 of these and traded the other one with a mate from a local Facebook group. It's the orange and black glow-in-the-dark Halloween dunk. Great pickup and happy to catch it on retail. Tried shining it with some black light, but the room was too bright. I didn't want to spend too much time on it really. You guys know what glow-in-the-dark looks like. This one is from Novelship, slightly above retail. Someone accepted my bid. So yeah, one thing to note is that there's no harm going low on bids. If there's not much heat or sellers are having a hard time to move their stocks, they usually will give it up for a slightly above retail cost. Obviously, if the item is hot, that's unlikely to happen. Materials on this doesn't feel great on my initial impressions. I got spoiled by the Georgetowns, I think. We'll probably try and fit this the same way I fit my Air Jordan 1 Pollens. And also, since it's low, maybe work it with my cropped pants. Oh, there's some leftover bags here. Forgot about these. These are some Jujutsu Kaisen t-shirts from Uniqlo. If you like animes and haven't seen Jujutsu Kaisen, stop this stupid video and go watch it now. You won't regret it. I got me some Yurt pants too. Looking at it now, I think I bought a very similar pants from the Uniqlo washed jersey ankle pants, albeit more expensive. The fit is wider and baggier than the Uniqlo ankle pants though, so I don't really think you can get away with trying to fit them the same way. These also need to get hemmed. Speaking of Salehe Bembury and Yurt, this is probably my best pickup for this batch. The New Balance 574 Yurt by Salehe Bembury. Man, New Balance have been killing it with their releases, and I'm all up for it. I might start chasing the 2002 R Bemburys now. The water be the guide and peace be the journey pieces. This thing has a bloody whistle. I can't help it. I just have to blow it as soon as I open the box. Here's a bonus unboxing. This was delayed. It was from the juice store, another raffle win. It's the Nike Sacai Clot collaboration, the Kiss of Death 2. Man, this took a while to get here. I think I won this in a raffle last month via the juice store. There were a lot of delays and issues with the shipping, but yeah, well, I have it now. I think it's just a little bit unfortunate that I didn't get to review it on time. I'll definitely review all of these sneakers that I've just picked up and then try different fits with the clothes that I've got. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and follow me on Instagram.